Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of creative gate lodge and gate lodge craft and design. So, dear audience, when we talk about a gate lodge, then different question arise in our mind like what is a gate lodge and when was a lodge invented and what is a lodge mechanism and what are different part of a gate lodge. So, dear audience, a gate lodge is used to secure a fence gate, some versions or key locking, while others are simply gate lodges that can be locked with a padlock or other device. So, as early as the 13th century, early examples of the iron latches have been found in China and Europe by the 70 iron latch were in common use in England. So it was at this time that the generic term Suffolk latch came into existence. And if we talk about its mechanism, then latch is a mechanical component that allow the temporary joining of the pot or moving relative to each other. So they are actuated to release the coupling and allow the two part to separate. A door latch is a general type of latch used for keeping doors or gate closed. So gate latches typically consist of a handle or knob, a lock mechanism, strike plate, screws or bolts, and a spring or tension system. So the handle or knob is a part that the user interact with to operate the lock mechanism. So why is a latch used? Latches are basic storage elements that operate with single level rather than single transition. So latch is controlled by clock transition or flip flops. So latches are level sensitive devices. Latches are useful for the design of the asynchronous sequential circuit. So, what is latch? Is a latch is an example of a bistable multi-vibrator. Also, that is a device with exactly two stable states. So these states are high output and low output. So a latch is as a feedback path. So information can be retained by the device. So a latch catch is a type of mechanical fastener that joins two objects surfaces while allowing for their regular separation. So latch typically engages another piece of hardware on the other mounting surface. So a latch is a bistable device that can store one bit of data because of their storing capacity. Latches are sometimes referred to as a bistable memory device. So a latch is inferred when the output of combinatorial logic has undefined states. That is, it must hold its previous values. So combinatorial logic does not have any flip-flop to hold state. Therefore, the output should always be defined by the input. So, a latch is a digital electronic circuit that has two stable state and can store a digital signal. So, these two states are known as set and reset state, high or low state. As it has two stable state, it is also known as bistable multi-vibrator. It stores the data using the feedback lane. So, what is a latch in general? If we talk about generally any of various devices in which matting mechanical parts engage to fasten but usually not to lock something. So fastener as for a door consisting essentially of pivoted bar that falls into a notch, and fastener as for a door in which a spring slides a bolt into a hole. So how many types of latches are the different type of latches are used in computer system are D type latch and SRCT, but material which is used in gate latch. Stainless steel is often used to craft modern and contemporary gate latches. So stainless steel is substantial and feels and look sleek. If you are looking for modern gate hardware or contemporary gate latches, we suggest you look for stainless steel gate latches. And arc latch is made of gates. Latch is a fundamental component of data storage. A single, but it can be used in different other computer latches. But how high should gate latch be? So handles, pulls, latches, locks, and other operable parts on doors and gates shall comply with 309.4. So operable parts of such hardware shall be 34 inches minimum and 48 inches maximum above the finished floor or ground. So why is gate latch important? Because gate latches are used in a wide variety of applications within digital system. One of their primary uses in the digital storage, they form the basis of flip-flops, which is turn from the basis of for which we for much of the modern computer memory such as RAM and cache memory and also other. So, what is the best watches technique in step by step? We talk about tickle your baby's lips with your nipple. So this will help baby open their mouth wide and aim your nipple just above your baby's top lip and make sure your baby's chin is not tucked into their chest. So aim your baby's lower lip away from the base of your nipple. And if we talk about the what is a simply set launch, the simplest bistable device, therefore, is known as a set reset or SR launch. To create an SR launch, we can wire two NOR gate in such a way, and the output of one need feedback to the input of another, and vice versa like this. The um, does latch have clock? Yes, we can say that it is an also clock. A gate, some is a gate latch, uh, two part of gauge latch are also prescribed. Like these are simple mechanical device that lock consisting of both a base and a key lever. It's also two part of latch. So, dear audience, I think that my video and my idea inspired you much. If inspired, then subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video with your affectionate love and affectionate kind. So, thank you very much, guys, once again for watching my video. Thank you very much.